In Microsoft OneNote, you can easily insert tables and work with it. In order to do that, I'm going to go into my insert menu, and over here you can see tables. So once you click on this, you can see that there's three ways to insert a table. One is by using the graphical representation, another is by using the insert table menu right here, and another one is by creating a new Excel spreadsheet, which lets you embed Excel spreadsheets right into Microsoft OneNote. So we're going to focus on these two in this lesson for now. So over here, let me try the first method of inserting a table, and that is by selecting the visual representation. So let's say I want to have 4 columns. So I'm going to highlight these 4 boxes at the top, which represents the columns. And let's say I want 3 rows. So I'm going to drag it down into 3. And you can see at the top it says 4 by 3. And once I click that, you have a table of 4 by 3, just like that. You can also go over here, and I'm going to insert another table by using the insert table menu right here. And in this, you simply type in the number of rows and columns. So let's say I want 2 columns for this one, and I want 5 rows for this one, and I'm going to press OK. So there's rows and columns right there. You can also resize them by clicking on the handles right here, just like this, as you can see. And if you were to type in, you can see that it goes on to the next line. You can also expand this out, just like that, and it'll expand accordingly, just like that. So I resize this so it is not expanding automatically, but if I do not resize, you can see that they expand just like that. For this one, it won't expand because I resized it manually, but for this one, I haven't resized it. So you can see that it'll expand the column as I type it in according to the need. And if I were to press enter, you can see that it increases the size. So if I want to enter data, for example, I can simply say data 1. And if I were to press tab, it goes on to the next column. So I can say data 2. I can also use my arrow keys right here, top, right arrow key, down, left, and so forth. And over here, if I want another row, I can simply press tab and another row appears. So over here, you press enter, you get another row. You press tab, you get another row. So that is how you can create and work with tables inside of Microsoft OneNote. So in future lessons, we're going to see what further options we have with tables. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.